Securing intel will open access to missions and targets. Expect resistance from local forces and watch for other operators in the AO.
Oh my god, the packet burst.
Well, looks like someone should be doing the airport.
Is that a pre-made full man that I'm seeing?
Possibly.
Yeah. It's gonna be quite fun.
Right.
Gonna drive him? I usually leave it to him because I always fuck it up somehow.
Man, that title was really convincing, huh?
Sorry? What?
DMZ,
what happened?
but I'm really high.
Oh yeah. You should have heard him at the start of the stream.
What the?
How did I mantle up here? What the fuck?
The boost? I'm not even gonna try to do that.
Is that jump?
No idea, but he's up there.
How do you get up there, man? You're Batman. Yep, helicopter. Get in. Cracked one.
I'm low.
I'm dropping out. Like, I can't stay. I had to jump out, bro. If they see me, I'm dead. Shit. I'll try and regroup with you guys. Stay there. Do whatever. I'll try. Shit.
Oh my god.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just getting
Some
plates.
spots some crap.
Dude, I had to jump out. They fucking beamed me so hard. I got so low.
Yeah, one of them really beamed me as well.
Okay, I'm driving over. I'm coming over in a Hummer.
Bro, I got fucking destroyed before I even got in. Find the thing. Fuck.
I got a Hummer, boys. Yep.
Ultra One, activity has increased in the
Bro, I just lost like 9 plates in like 10 seconds.
I got some spare ones if you need them.
There you go.
Enemy control the UAV tower.
You need plates, Paris?
Oh yeah.
Enemy threat is moderate near your location. Ultra One, an operator is requesting medical near your location.
How does the... Jesus God. Okay.
Jesus, take the wheel.
I just couldn't speak then. My voice just died. Why are you a 2-plate, Benon?
Copy that. UAV is on station.
They tagged me.
He's tempted. There's your plate. Nice.
Bro,
Bye,
I
Malcolm.
took it once. Go for it.
You guys would res me, right? For sure.
I
Be advised, UAV
don't know about that.
Gold tags.
Ultra One, be advised, an operator in your area needs medical.
Another one at the
What?
end. Take
Oh,
tag.
okay. Oink. Right, shit.
Ultra One, be advised that dog tag marked your location for enemy operators.
I feel bad. What if he's on like a
By the way.
9x2? What if he's on like a 9x2 streak?
Man, I shouldn't have done it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, all go with the team.
Is that a big laser I see pointing up to our mountain? What the fuck? Oh my god, bots, please.
Taking effective fire!
Is that a
There was a guy here, but I don't fucking know.
Enemy controls the UAV.
There's no way you said is that everyone. We barely even started.
No, yeah, contracts.
Fair enough. Just drive off the
Yeah.
cliff. Alright.
You have that stealth?
Yeah, that's stuff. So when we get close, I'm gonna cut my parachute, pop the UAV. I'll do it now.
You're
Oh, I
gonna
can't
land
pop
normally,
it.
right?
Your stealth, definitely. Oh, no,
Nope.
never mind.
No, but
I'm
definitely.
nowhere near you, Pyrus. You're fucking gone from me.
Get a car if you can.
No, I'm getting my cardio in.
2. Yeah, 2, very close to each other.
Yep, I'm on my way, sliding through 99. Are they gonna get in that? I ping the TV. Oh yes, pick me up, Venom. Ah. Go, go, go. They didn't get in the ATV.
Ultra One, enemy threat appears low in this area.
So. How did I get?
No idea. I'm surprised they didn't get in the car. Oh, there.
One
Right there.
parachuted off towards the swamp.
Right there.
Ultra One, UAV is bingo, fuel, and RTB.
3-plater.
Moderate near your location.
I thought he was in here.
Fucking Jericho, get away from the car.
Taking
Is he on you, Venom?
I'm down.
Found him. Dead.
Asshole.
Just getting in.
Sorry. Yes, I used to doing that.
Yeah, not fair. Same. Like, I literally always.
He has a full team, by the way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there it is.
Yeah, up top of a hill.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay.
Take this BSB.
Body.
I'm getting stitched up!
We're getting sniped.
You need something else.
Fuck.
You see him on the field?
Save shit.
Oh, I've got a med vest for if anyone gets down.
Hmm.
He joke it again. Oh, behind us, sniper behind.
Direction.
Oh, right there. Cracked him. Cracked the sniper. That's his teammate. That's the guy's teammate that we killed.
Hit him again.
Knocked him.
Moving here!
Yeah, nice.
Finish. Come on. No, I
I
ran out of
can see
ammo. You're shitting me.
Bang it, bang it, bang it.
He's all the way behind the house. You won't be able to shoot him. He's like behind that house on my ping. He's behind there. Yeah. That's that guy's teammate that we killed.
Do you have any spare plate stock?
Yeah, bro, got you.
Thank you.
I am running one place myself though. We need to get to a buy station.
Hmm. Where the fuck is this guy with the Joker? There's no way he just disappeared.
I don't know. I'm looking for that sniper.
Holy shit.
I just heard a SAM site.
Reinforcements incoming.
Yeah, I did too. Well, 5 in mine, it's very far.
Hostile UAV
I
Uh,
don't know.
well, there's one guy behind us, but I don't want to go get him. He's not us. Maybe that UAV? Yeah, that's that. Oh,
Ultra One, activity has
I don't
increased
fucking
in the
know.
area. Keep your eyes open.
We have the one guy that was at the Joker that disappeared somewhere, the guy that's here, which most likely was going to revive this guy. So
there's
it's
a
up-
hunt contract there if you want to go now.
Ultra One, enemy threat is moderate in the AO.
But someone had to repop this UAV, right? This couldn't be the same UAV that we saw.
Hmm.
There's no way. Unless they had like max UAV time, maybe.
Players.
Yep, on me. Beamed.
Far behind you.
Coming to you, Venom.
How the fuck you kill me?
Put a bounty contract on your head.
Yeah, you
I'm not
fuck.
pushing
How
it in.
the fuck did you kill
Another
him?
one.
Here, here, here.
Like,
Pushing
hey,
it
hey, hey, hey. Can you not mark me, please?
Radar.
They're gang raping me. They're gang raping me. Ah, I'm getting
Oh,
zombied.
Is that it? No, there's one more in there. There's like a red dot in there. What the fuck does that mean? No, there's one more in here. There's one more on my ping.
Coming.
There's fucking explosions and shit going.
I know.
Wait, I might be schizophrenic, but I swear I saw someone in here.
Windows cracked up top.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I don't know. I just got flashed.
And the bots are pissed.
Hmm.
I'm so confused, man. I swear I saw... Oh, whatever. I don't know what's going on. We can take the ATV and go to the hunt if you guys want.
Well, they're still here, so these teammates still here.
Ultra
Yeah.
One, an operator is requesting medical near your location.
Hey.
And she's not.
I don't know.
Ultra One, actual.
Oh, I just got sniped, I just got sniped. Oh, yeah, on my left wing, left wing.
Hey, how you doing? Oh
He's
shit.
pushing me, he's pushing me.
Yeah,
How do you
can't
get that?
me.
How do you get that little zombie thing? I like it.
Well, I like
Okay.
you, but I want to get married and then I'll tell you.
He's on.
Okay, deal.
Ultra One,
And then you wanna...
Yeah, stealth right?
incoming.
You wanna not...
Oh mate.
Benin.
I like that Benen's priority is
Benin,
AFK
I
on the
feel
body
like
instead of
you
helping his teammate.
Do you have do you like wear glasses? Are you short-sighted?
Nope.
He's right above you, Benen. He's on that roof that you're going up to. He's not looking. Now he is, he's looking right.
Dark.
Hey, I'm over here
I
working
can
my
see him,
tits
I can
off,
see him.
okay? Distracting people. I'm trying my best. I got these strobe lights on me and shit. Even I didn't want to get picked up because if I get picked up, I'm gonna have to deal with this flashing lights all over me because they marked me now. These little zombie faggots.
It's not very nice.
Oh my god.
So should I tell you what he's doing?
I just want to hear the most fucking gayest message I've ever gotten in my life.
Hold up.
He
Are
jumped
you
off
ready
the roof
for
of one of
this?
the building next
Never
door.
send this to a girl because it just would dry up their vagina.
One, activity is increasing near
Hey,
your
can we
location. Stay
text till
alert.
you fall asleep? Ugh.
He's in that building, on my pin.
Shall I write back no faggot? No, I can't. No, I can't do that. I need this guy.
I
He
can
gives
tell
me
you. I
rights
can tell you if he
when
comes
I'm
out. He's coming out
drunk.
now.
Just add mine instead.
I'm
He's pushing you. He's pushing
just
you.
gonna
Out
not
the way, out the way.
reply, and then I'll message him tomorrow and be like, "Oh, sods fell asleep." Don't worry, he's gone through a divorce, so like it's not that mean. Oh, miss, can you fucking hurry up, please? Jesus. Oh, good, he's dead. That's right.
No,
that's
settle
right,
down, you
buddy.
fucking dog.
Yeah,
It's done. It's
I'll
done.
take it.
You know, no, I was giving comms because I could see what he was doing.
Hey,
That's why I was giving
Brennan,
comms,
shut
'cause I
the
can see it
fuck up!
naturally
How
what he's
dare
doing.
you talk to Bumper like that?
Fuck you and Bubba.
Fuck you too.
So you still on my
Bro.
number or what?
One actual.
Bro, Pyrus, my plea is so OP. I can see
You
everything.
sound
Like my plea's
ugly.
like
Like you
fucking bugged or
fucking
something. I can see
sound
literally
ugly.
everything.
You sound like you
I don't know
live
what's
in a
going on.
fucking basement. You sound like you still live with your fucking mother. Okay? Shut the fuck up, Brennan. You piece of shit.
Wow,
Oh,
aggressive much,
add me,
huh?
add me. You
What's going
fucking
on? I can't
desperate
hear proxy.
fuck.
But do you still want my number or what?
Go get a fucking penis extension, you motherfucker. Get
Oh,
the fuck
shit.
away from me.
Oh my
Stop
god.
fucking talking to me.
Not even that's gonna
Goodbye.
save me. It's just me.
Wow, she is unhappy. By the way, where did you kill that guy, Venom? He ransacked me.
Bottom floor.
Oh, Semtex on
Down
you.
here.
Jesus Christ, the bots are
Go right
fucking...
here. Bro, the guy fucking throwing knifes me to 0 health. Bro.
Yeah, no, he sniped me. He had like a really weird angle. I couldn't see him. Wait, I want these.
You're being tracked by enemy operators.
Man, that girl did a 180 real fucking fast.
Where's the stealth vest? What? Did he take... Benny, did you get a stealth vest?
Shotgun here.
He took my sniper. Oh, no, he
So, Bennett, the real 180 fast.
Wait, what was going on in proxy? I wasn't listening.
So she's coming off. Bro, shit, every insecurity to man at once.
All I heard was Benin say, "You want to be my girlfriend?" That's all I heard. Why did Benin say that?
Bro, she went off after that.
UAV tower over there. Actually, take me to the buy station. I do need plates.
My fucking plates are bugged now. God damn it.
Yeah, when you full die, it like freezes them there.
Hmm.
Ultra One, be advised. Enemy
Not even that.
What?
What? Seriously?
Really just what they were.
Are you? Do you think it's the same team? No way.
Probably. Nah, different team. Their bodies
Yeah.
left.
Oh wait, can
It's
you
the
buy me
other
some plate?
team.
Oh, there's some on the ground. Thank you. It's good enough. I'll take that again for now. I didn't realize I lost some money.
I'm hit.
Wow, that is that.
Where the hell are these guys? What? People?
Ultra One, you've got hostile
What the fuck?
reinforcements incoming.
Requesting recon at my location.
Copy. UAV orbiting the AO. Recon satellite.
What the f-
Wait, they rizzed. They rizzed. Oh my god, it's the same team. No way.
No way.
Really?
No, it's not.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's not. It's not. Okay.
Be advised. UAV is exiting the AO.
He's above me.
Now for your friends.
Bending good is.
What the fuck shell is this?
My guy's cracked. He's jumping off.
Down.
Nice.
Go for the.
Yeah, I'm up.
And where
Can you
even
come-
from?
Can you come in the middle of the room so I can't rob you?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Bro, my screen's like perpetually in like the battle rage. Like, you know that when you pop battle rage, how your screen goes all
Ultra
weird?
One, we're seeing increased activity
Oh,
in the
that
area.
sucks.
Stay
It's
sharp.
like I'm permanently like that, and it's like giving me a headache. This is
An operator is near your location and requesting medical.
But I have
It's
fucking. I don't have any. My smokes and knives aren't there on my screen, even though I know they're there because I threw one.
Did you get the HUD glitch? Or your HUD's not showing? Like,
And I don't have any. I don't have any plates, but I know I have them as well. So,
do you want me to come back for you, Benin?
I might do 1 or 2 more and then I'm off to bed.
Yeah. Yeah, I do. I need to go to bed really badly, but I'll stay on until Pyrus gets off. Because he's so cool.
Thanks, man.
No. Ben and Stu overtook me because I suck at driving. Fuck. Shit.
And to think he's baked right now, man. He's not even at his peak driving.
Okay, well it's 3 AM for me, so...
Ultra One, enemy
Yeah, it's 3 a.m. Wait, well, it's what is it? 12:40 right now?
I probably only will do
12:40 for us.
more at most if Mom doesn't yell at me. She's probably like giga pissed that I'm still
Yeah.
awake.
Ultra One, be advised.
Good old parents, man.
How do you fucking drift so well? I don't understand.
Not the best place to be right now. Probably both shouldn't have gone.
Shit.
Okay.
I tried my best, okay? I tried my best.
God.
It's A for effort, A for effort.
Operators in the AO. We've been contracted to go after them.
Yep.
Marking your tax out now.
Charging reflected.
There's a cargo truck there we can switch over
One
to.
actual. High winds are increasing in
Cheer for
the AO.
the shop top.
Move to an extract point before radiation spreads.
Wow, that nearly killed it.
Oh shit, my mouse ran out of battery. Fuck. Where's my charger? Okay, we're back. My mouse ran out of battery. Fuck. Luckily that didn't happen mid-fight.
7:40 a.m. in Houston. My God, man. Would people really be staying up that late? Or that early? They got up that early.
I mean, maybe he just woke up at like 7.
Maybe.
They tagged me.
Is it Saturday for you guys? You reckon?
What?
You reckon it's Saturday for them?
Maybe. It's Saturday for me. No, it's Friday. Wait, is it? No, it is Friday, yeah.
What?
It's Friday for me. Sorry, I'm having a bit of a...
Bro, it's Sunday for us right now.
Oh, it's Monday for me. You cannot make that jump. You can make
There you
that
go.
jump? What the fuck?
Nah, as long as you touch the ground, you're fine. I have a feeling they're probably around here.
As long as they're not camping the big building, I don't care. I hate it when people do that.
That? Or they're underground?
You can go underground on this map?
Cushy complex.
Ultra One, actual target is half a click
Oh,
to
they're
your
gonna Koshi.
northeast.
I don't even know there's a Koshi spot here.
Ultra One, an enemy Bashara is headed your way.
Are you beeping at the train?
Yeah, let's go faster.
Oh,
Drugs.
no way.
Let's check on now.
How do we get
Go
under?
first. Go
Go
back.
down here. Oh, I've seen Timmy Toucans in this situation. So, oh yeah, the door's already open. Fuck. Wait, where do you go to get into the car? Is that a player? Hostage.
No, why is that there?
Down.
Is he dropping the
That
bomb?
shouldn't be there.
Ultra One, weapons case secure.
Oh yeah, let's tell everyone where we are. I love it.
Operators are tracking your location.
Wait a minute, there's a bag right here. Let's go down to it.
Ammo box here. Ammo
Not
here.
a-
Okay.
Still
Yeah,
players.
there's still player there.
It's probably his teammate.
They moved.
Relax.
Who did you just kill?
It'll be over soon.
What the fuck? Did we both run past that guy pirates?
Probably.
Ultra One, be advised.
Yeah, that's sad. It's stealthy.
Time. Good work. Payment transferring now.
This guy was stacked too.
Oh, chop top, chop top. There's a player chop top! Player chop top!
Moving to an extra.
I'm not with you.
Why did they finish me?
Let's talk back to back. The other finish.
Nice. Good shit. There's a mid vest in my bag if you want to use that to res quick. It's up, not then, it's mine. Other one. Oh,
The fuck's your bag? I'm just...
I don't know where my bag is.
No. Can I please?
I genuinely have no idea where my bag is. Bro, I came up and I see fucking 3 people on a chop top driving in. It made me shit myself.
Yeah, bro. I don't like these foreign languages, you know?
What do you
Intimidating.
speak? What's going on?
Oh, the AI.
Bro, why is my screen completely red? What is happening?
Your character looks a bit excited.
Do they have plates? I need plates. Do any of these guys have plates?
Well, there's about 20 plates in here.
Did you say plates?
And some in here.
Oh, yes.
I did say plates.
Hey, wait, Ben, you said do a full self fist? Wait, Ben, come here. No. I want to do something. Drop your full self fist and I'll do the same.
Nice. You know what? I'll drop this as well.
There you go. Look at that. Look at the hole. Look at the loot. Hey, stop taking my mid vests! I'm taking your stuffs then.
I just got sniped at top of building.
I should probably pick up plates instead of vests, but, you know.
Surely you're lying.
That's
I
a
don't
player.
know.
But there's no way.
Give me a second.
Wait, hold on.
Enemy sniper.
It's a player.
Someone's really close, right here.
Yeah.
What?
Literally right
Is he
there.
not? Oh yeah, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh my god.
I'm good.
Cracked on.
Good to revive.
I'm getting another self from the back.
There's 2 minimum bomb drones.
Bomb drone on me.
Down.
On
You are
me.
taking effective fire.
Cover man.
Pushing up them. You good, Paris?
Another one sniping, by the way.
I thought, where's the snipe?
Another one sniping. Oh, he has a yeah, I just got shot at again.
Yeah, I know. I don't know where.
Yeah,
It's like,
240
Oh, yeah, I see him,
on the railway place, top railway platform.
yeah, I see him.
I don't. Oh, I do. Down.
Nice, kill his ass. Got it.